Hey guys, your boy LERNOMIX, back with a new tutorial on how to mass unlike YouTube videos. This is the most fastest method I found. Now without wasting time, let's go with the tutorial. Before that, mash the like button to make this awesome video more searchable so that you guys can help others too. First, got and download the text code from the link given below. Then, after downloading the link, open up your YouTube channel, then follow as I do. This does work. The reason some people are saying it doesn't is because if you have multiple pages of liked videos, you need to perform this multiple times. Scroll to the bottom of your liked videos and click load more if it's there until all your liked videos are displayed on one page. Then open up your console. I have given the different ways to open it in different browser in the description. Then straight to the arrow, paste the code from the text code point, press enter. You may have to enter the code a few times and refresh the page a few times to remove all videos. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys. Please do not forget to smash that like button, and as always, bye bye.